Today I want to introduce you to our mobile ultrasonic welding system. It is delivered in a very handy case, which also meets protection class IP67. Inside we have all the necessary components. Thanks to their arrangement, they are quite shockproof. We do have an ultrasonic generator with an associated power cable, as well as a very ergonomic hand welding unit with a quite long system cable. We do have some required tools consisting of an Allen key, an open-end wrench, as well as a special plier for sonotrodes, as well as a digital copy of a technical documentation in several languages. The heart of our FRIMO ultrasonic welding equipment is the ultrasonic generator. It does have a very user-friendly touch display. FRIMO does have various ultrasonic generators in its range, so that we have a solution for every application. Once the welding unit is connected with the generator as well as with the power cable, it is ready for use.